Because this year has been so chaotic because of COVID-19, you're probably looking for ways to ace your online classes and some resources to improve your grades. In this video, we're going to share 5 main tips to help you perform at your best during these last few bits of your school year.
Don't worry, there will be timestamps for each tip in the description below, and make sure to leave a comment if you have any suggestions or questions. Let's get into the video.
Tip number 1 is a designated area. So our first tip is to create a designated workspace. By designating an area just for yourself, it's easier to be less distracted during the day. Ideally, your designated workspace should be away from your bed and sleeping area. However, it is important to prioritize your comfort.
Since we have very different homes to work with, we've combined a list of ways for you to create your workspace for yourself. Number 1 is to select a space, and we suggest for it to be away from noise or distractions. Number 2, make sure your workspace has good lighting so that your eyes don't get tired too easily. Another suggestion is to try near a window so you have good natural lighting. Number 3, have items in your workspace to emphasize art, music, and other creativity. Number 4, customize your workspace based on your interest and style it up however you want it. You can use props, colors, and so many other things. Number 5, don't feel the need to fill up the whole space. It's important to have space in your area so that you feel more organized and it doesn't feel too crowded.
Studies show that by switching up your study environment, you can increase your recall performance. Since it may be difficult to, wander between coffee shops now, given the situation, you could try switching up the style of your room or create a different atmosphere. Also, you could just move locations. You can switch from studying in your kitchen to studying in your living room.
Our second tip, which may be our most important tip, is to establish a routine. We highly encourage you to set up a routine the same way you would have if you were going to class in order to make it not as drastic as it can be. Lifestyle modifications are one of the most important aspects of improving your mental health. Try to modify your routine from pre-COVID to now.
Number 1, never ever underestimate a to-do list. A time-honored tradition, what we call a to-do list, is psychologically proven to dampen the anxiety of the chaos of life by giving us the structures to help plan homework and housekeeping chores.
Number 2, experiment with different study techniques. There are so many different study techniques out there that will help you train your mind to be much more efficient, focused, and functioning at its fullest. Our top picks are the Pomodoro technique, active recall, and spaced repetition.
Tip number 3, lifestyle routine. This brings us to our third tip, which is to maintain healthy habits and a healthy lifestyle. This includes, working out, having designated social time, meditation, healthy eating habits, and more. A healthy lifestyle will improve your school performance and help you build resilience towards certain workloads. It's extremely important to take care of your body and your health, especially during times like these.
Our fourth tip is to simply sleep and take as many breaks as you can. When you're required to stay up late to do some last-minute cramming, some nights are fine, but that continuous schedule may not be as beneficial as to you. A recent study has shown that there is a positive relationship between a student's grades and their sleep schedule. It is advised that each student sleeps at least 8 hours a night regularly.
Tip number 5 is active participation. Just try to actively participate in class, contribute in class discussions, get your assignments done on time, and take online school seriously. Try to make the most of it. It's okay and totally understandable that you would not be feeling your best right now during a pandemic, and that's fine. Just engage with the material as best that you can.
We hope you gained something out of this video and liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more STEM related content, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can always stay connected with us through our other social media platforms as well as our website. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now.